Hello students, today I'll teach you about usage of verbs and how to complete the given paragraph. First of all, we see about correct usage of verbs with the help of given examples. First one, neither he nor you are wrong. Here, right answer is or, because according to our grammatical rule, after you we put are if the sentence is in present form. Second one, his father and uncle have their own business. Here the right answer is have, because it refers plural form. Third one, the first innings was very interesting. In the given sentence, the blank can be filled by the word was. The given sentence is a very common example of subject verb agreement. Here, the noun innings, though have the letter S in the end, does not specify any plural word. The word itself is singular, so it will carry a singular form of the verb, so that was is the correct form of the verb which needs to be used here. In the given sentence, the word friends refer plural form, so we use have there. Next one, every one of the boys was sitting silent in the hall. In the given sentence, the blank can be filled by the word was. Because we are talking about every student, it refers singular form. Next one, every leaf has fallen from this tree. Here also, every leaf refers singular form, so we use has there. Next one, each of the boys has done his homework. Here also, in the number of boys, we are talking about each one, so it refers singular. For that reason, we use has here. Next one, he as well as you are intelligent. According to our grammatical rule, after you we put are if the sentence is in present tense. Next one, bread and butter was his daily diet. In the given sentence, the blank can be filled by the word was, because it refers singular form. Next one, either you or he has done it. In the given sentence, the blank can be filled by the word has, because this sentence refers singular form. Next one of the boys was punished. Here, in so many number of boys, we are talking about one boy. It refers singular form. So the blank can be filled by the word was. Next one. Neither the children nor their mothers were admitted to hospital. Here, the children as well as mothers refer plural form. So the blank can be filled by the word were. Now we complete the following paragraph by using verbs. Everyone who has ever been to a graduation ceremony now how exciting it can be for the graduates. In our town, nearly the whole population come each year. There is one thing that both graduates and guests enjoy the awarding of scholarships. This ceremony, along with concluding exercises, make attending the graduation worthwhile. Several of the students who received awards plan to attend the community college. Many former graduates are grateful for opportunities that such an award provided to them.